Welcome, middle of nowhere. I'm the guy that literally lives middle of nowhere. Here I'm working on the Mustangs 302 right now today. Yeah, the GT's outside. The old pig Thunderbird. Okay, so there's the clue. I did fucking comment about on a vaporization. I'll leave a link into the videos and all that stuff. I like the guy's idea. He is smart enough to get it going. But it is on Charles Pogue's setup. I'm doing my Thunderbird on a 429 setup. Oh, sorry. Well, it is a 429 4-barrel. It is on a Tom Ogle setup. That process. Maybe it'll go on this thing one day. Do I plan on making millions? I would like to. But am I doing it for that? No, I'm doing it to help the fucking world. This shit's bad. I do have a couple projects. If you could see over there, there is, here, I'll even zoom in. Right there, you see that pile of fucking copper? That is the internals of a piping system for a vaporizer. I have like a couple other things, like that is the shell. Oh, there we go. This is my first step. There, give you an idea of what I was working on. It is such a crude pile of fucking heaviness, like, ugh, that is like really heavy. Alright, so I'm doing the heads on this today. I'm going to put them on because I need to get those on, and then I'm just going to clean up those exhaust manifolds just so I can get it up on two jacks on the back, get those those two jacks under the back of this. I am actually going to do a separation of the transmission and engine, just I don't know when. And I found a lot of parts at Pick and Pull, so hopefully. But heads first and going from there. Most likely going to do all the way to just before the intake manifold goes back on. And try to get the distributor back in there. I really don't know. Because I've never done the whole take a distributor out and put it back in. And where I'm supposed to exactly go with the teeth. So I gotta fucking line that up. Because I really don't know. But on to the process. I'm just gonna do a time lapse. I've already cleaned it all out. So first things first, take that Fel-Pro, cut and put it on. So it has a marker. Okay, right there. You see that? That says front. Okay, so that is, to me, is over here, but that's got to be this side. Oh crap! Why is that illegal? All right, one gasket on. Alright, so it doesn't matter, they're identical. So one will be flipped backwards, one will flip forward. It really does not matter, apparently, according to these gaskets. As long as you have the two holes here in the front, or no holes in the front, so the cover, and this at the back. That's to allow proper oil flow and something like that. I remember Engine Masters talking about that. Alright, so, holy fuck, this is heavy. And the best thing is I don't have any fucking bitch woman to fucking be bitching at me. Oh, well, you gotta do stuff. Or trying to take credit for what I do. Yeah. Hate it when you get cheated on. But it happens. Ow. I hit a light with my head. You just learn from it. So I do have them set like this, so that way I know which one. So this is the right side, this is the left side. So easiest thing to do, check at the farthest one, and I have it up clearance, and it goes in like a beaut. Alright, I'll put all the lifters in, because I cleaned them up. Oh, go in like one finger. Well, I've run into a snag. I don't have a 15/16 socket to go into the crank, or something that'll just fit. And because how it is here, I'm sitting here all rocking and shit, I don't feel safe enough to, you know, be fucking around with this thing. So any of them that are down, I'm just gonna do those ones, and then I'll come back over and do the ones that I need to, like this. Just a few of them. So I'm gonna leave it at right now as it is, like this. Alright, here's a quick update. Yeah, I technically torqued all these down, but this one here, it's not even up on the lifter, but the threads are messed up. So it was torquing at 20 pounds or foot-pounds way too soon. So all I did was match the threads with the next one beside it, because it is torqued properly, and I looked and they all, even the ones that are lifted, I just matched the thread numbers. So that way, like even this one if I wanted to, okay, this is the one that's lifted. Yeah, that's about right. So those are all in. What I'll do next is just put the valve covers on, just because I want them covered up and cleaned up, and I don't want any shit getting in there. It's supposed to make this shit easy. Alright, so I'm at 12. Now I just need my wrench. So the valve covers are gasket bolts are supposed to be torqued down to 10 foot-pounds. I'm not putting a torque wrench on because I know how much 10 pounds is. Just enough. Okay, so the heads are on, valve covers are on. Doesn't look too bad. I'm not going to take any of this stuff off yet. I just want to leave that on until finished product. A lot better. Give it that nice big Ford blue, you know what I mean? But I'm thinking I'm going to have to, well, these here I got to bend those down flat. Just the head gaskets. So that way when it comes in, they're flush. I know I gotta fucking do that intake manifold, but the thing is, I don't want it in the way it looks. It looks like a pile of shit. I'm probably gonna go either flat black or primer black. So I have engine enamel. This one's the flat black here. And then I got shine black. Because I'm going to do black also to those exhaust manifolds. That's if I keep those, but most likely I'm just going to go get a set of long headers. But that is going to be it for today. I'm freezing my ass off. I'm the guy from middle of nowhere. Name is Duff. Yeah, that's my real nickname. My real name doesn't really matter to any of you. If you want to know, just ask. I don't give a shit. You get my first name, but that's it. Some people will even just tell you. And that is a big fucking mess. Yep. So, like, subscribe, comment. Like always, have a good one.